Hey everybody, how's it going? Thanks for watching this 3-Minute Thursday. So today I want to talk about a sentence. When I was in university, we had a class about government, and on the very first class, the lecturer said a sentence to us. And that sentence really stuck with me for a long time. And ever since I got into web development, I still have that sentence sitting in the back of my head every single day at work. And I find that sentence really helps me in my day-to-day, in my process, to, just be a better developer. And that sentence is, the stupidest question is the one you don't ask. So imagine you're a brand new developer, you're in your first job, you're in your second job, you're learning a new framework, you're learning a new piece of technology, you've been given a task to do that you have no idea how to do it. What are you going to do in that situation? Now I can say in myself, there's been many times where I've sat there and I've just scratched my head and just racked my brain and I have no idea. But that sentence comes back to me again. The stupidest question you have is the one you don't ask. So in that respect, I would look at the problem I'm having. I would go and find someone more senior. I would go and find someone that can talk to me about the issue. I can go and find the project manager. I can go and find the QA person that's opened the bug for me. And start asking questions. Because the sooner you start asking questions, the sooner you start getting answers. And the sooner you start getting answers, the sooner you can get on and keep working and advancing yourself and advancing your task, advancing your career, whatever it may be. So in this 3-Minute Thursday, I just wanted to pass on that sentence there, that thing that's been in the back of my head for the last couple of years, and it's really helping me as a web developer to go forward in my career. And if you have any questions for me, please leave them down below. If you've got any suggestions for other videos kind of in this vein, then please leave them for me down below. And until next time, thanks a lot for watching.